He'll get out on the game again. So actually we're gonna be playing wait, that's the game's called well, I'm not so it's going. I think the most game play but that's like I'm Death Highway, I think, and that's one of my favorite games. That's the one time passed. And I played this one before. It goes out in the middle of the night. Gets you a hot summer. Okay. Even so, you, the sun, the sector, turns off on the screen. What? Wait. The brilliant one don't want us to approach her. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I don't know what you did, but take care to not ruin her apostles now. Wait. I can't. No. Take it. Oh my gosh, I'm doing so bad. I'm just so bad. Oh, it's so freaking hard. Damn. Alright, try again. Alright. Wait. Come on. Wait, stop. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I just saved it just in the nick of time. Look at this. I carry spam. Never I don't have enough. Oh my gosh, dude, oh my gosh. Dude, the game is totally just out. Oh my gosh, dude. My waiting. What the heck is that? He's a time I'm ready. The master subway fears with me. What the heck is this? I worked so hard. I have one wife left. Yes, 5. Let's go see how to wait a minute. Please return home, my lady. Must be very fair to me. And look at my eyes by bad force. They are. Back. Yeah. Wait, another map. There's a winner. Dude, I'm doing good. Get off. I don't know, like, why I'm 50 things, so. Alright, let's back to full health. Good. Well, she's got back to full health. Can you wait a little bit of waste? Yeah, not happening. That's where the harm part of the game comes into play. Back up. What's up? Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude, she's on. Oh my god. I wish hang on the way. Why? Assassin on the trauma like this, I'll just do it.
Gem mermaids live to protect the kingdom. I will end this battle!
Witness the legendary Red Dragon!
My voyage goes on.
Feel the wrath of the stars!
I'm friends to Game of Fall. I've got some more gaming videos on the channel. Like the thing to go to our channel because I do this every single day. Alright. Let's see if we get another chance. Come on. I'm not just like really don't even touch the thing at all. What to see what happens. Like, I should have anyways. Not me damage. You can so freaking fast. Alright. Oh, dude. Oh my god. What? Wait, I think I have enough. Something. Hold on, I think I have enough. I'm a ton. Wait. How much do I have? Oh, I 110. What can I buy? What's the one thing? We're on the way. Get out. Raise the waiter. What now? I need 150 to buy the next one. Power somewhere. And then I'm going to get the guest. There we go. Take that, and that, and that. Oh, I did. Okay. Here we go. Oh, this is much easier. Don't know, buddy. Yeah. Wait, I gotta see. Go back to my friends. Actually, just a net. We're still gonna get hot, right? I'm not gonna try to be cooking while I gotta get hot. Wow. Dude, I'm doing better. Like, what happened there? Wow, what's going down on the line anyways? I don't know, get the bot one way down. Oh, wait, what? I couldn't even stand. I couldn't stand. Did I beat it? What's the mail? New game. Oh yeah, I'm gonna play it. Chapter 2, guys. Oh my, I swear. It's again. Alright. Oh my gosh. Dude's always just. You know, for a second I want to wait. No, let's take a $2 code. Alright, y'all. I need more than right here. I'm not waiting that long. I think you just forget it. Somehow guys enjoyed the video and any did Roblox Squad with like on the let me know in the comments. And I'm guys next one. Goodbye buddy.